gives you plenty to pull off the seat with
Yeah.
and stand with. But just wanted to make sure you're okay with it.
Okay.
Well, she has shakes, that's why she's having surgery.
Move it that way a bit.
I can't go too far with it because I gotta stay with studs.
Yes.
So
Yes.
I could probably go about right there with you.
Sure.
And you're okay with it?
Yes.
Okay. If you're okay, I'm okay.
Okay. Actually, we thought we would consider several, but by the time your salesman had finished with us, we didn't feel like we could do any better.
We actually got it from an ad, you know, and of course I'm familiar with LJ Stone. They've been here for years. And I kind of know LJ and his brother even. But anyway, that's why I went with them. And thought about other companies, especially after I heard the price. But as far as I'm concerned, the salesman did a great job explaining it. And I don't think we could have ever got anything this good. As a matter of fact, the salesman was so good. And I used to be in management and had several salesmen under me. And I said I would have liked to have him as one of my salesmen. He was good. Yeah, they told me 6 to 8 weeks, and he told me that in the beginning because he knew of my wife's surgery. So I called a couple times and they said, yeah, the material's in. And I asked them if there's any way that they could get this done before my wife's surgery, because we have lots of appointments and it would be great when she gets home. And I think it was a day or two later, and almost immediately, they called me back and they scheduled it today. Yeah, so I'm totally impressed.
Everything was very neat, taken care of. Very nice.
Tony was awesome.
Yes.
There's no doubt in my mind.